No EMS, no entry.
Hello, YouTube. I hope you are doing well today. First of all, I want to thank you guys for giving me a 1K view on one of my video because I just uploaded it last week and I'm having such views and I like the growth and I just want to urge you guys, to just keep on doing these things and trust me, I will definitely bring out good content for you guys. So let's get straight to the point on why I'm here. So change of character is going to be what I'll be talking about today and how to monetize it and capitalize on getting huge RR or win rates, whichever kind of strategy you're using. Okay, so what is change of character? Okay, so change of character is a type of break or market structure indicating a trend, a change in trend. I'm sorry. It indicates what? A change in trend. So let's just say, okay, for instance, market is what? Rallying downwards, right? So whenever you see a break of market structure that breaks an high, you call it a change of character. But which one is the right one? So definitely, you would want to what? See a low to look for a bullish change of character. You want to see what? A low break and what? An high break at the same time. A low and an high. So you should have these two things. If you don't see these two things, then it is not working yet. So you should definitely see a low break and an high break, right? Okay, but where would you look for that change of character? Where is it more effective? Because if this market was actually trending downwards, right? This market was actually trending downwards, right? And it's already giving you a change of character without coming to an higher time frame zone, then you don't go for it. So you only look for change of character in an higher time frame demand or supply zone. Or let's just say demand. Yeah, it's better to just say it that way. Because if you're seeing any change of character, a bullish change of character, when your price hasn't gotten to your demand zone or your supply zone, then it won't work. Then it has less chances of working. And I hope I'm clear. So first of all, remember your order block, right? A break or market structure to the upside, a retracement, come into your zone and you buy straight, isn't it? Okay, the same thing applies to what? A bearish order block. Okay, you see, a break or market structure to the downside, a retracement, and then the reversal. Okay, but that change of character would only work well and you have huge RR, something like this, right? Only if you get to see what? An high break and a low break, and price must touch the higher time frame zone. So everything still lies on this my slogan. You see here, no BMS, no entry. Yes, this is a break of market structure, yeah, and then I have my entry. A break of market structure, and I have my entry, right? But now in this zone, I don't want to just trade off this zone because if I'm trading off this higher time frame zone, I should have my entry here and my stop loss here, right? Then I'll be having about 6.2 RR. Okay, why I could just wait for a change of character and then have about 10.9 RR, close to 11. Okay, so change of character on it works best whenever it gets to what an higher time frame, supply or demand zone. As you can see here, right? It is actually trending what upward, right? You see, until this low breaks, then it becomes a change of character. The same way too for this guy here, right? So until what this high breaks and then price tap into the zone, higher time frame zone, then you see you get to trade off the change of character. Okay, because it was actually trending downwards and then it changed character from trending downwards towards becoming bullish. It was bullish before, yeah, and then became what bearish. Now let's go to a live example and you will see how we were able to what ease ourselves stress from having stop losses it anyhow. Because if you see my way of trading, I've been trading aggressively all this while, and I get to have stop loss it so much, right? Even if I will still come up profitable, but these days we've been having it so conservative and we still smart trade easily. Okay, so first of all, I'll be going to my I'll be moving to GBP USD to show you live example. So first of all, this is the chart I sent to my guys, to the group member, and we are about 100 plus now, right? Okay, but I'm just saying, I send this thing to my group member, and you see, so yes, we were trying to what get rid of the trend line liquidity and to fill up this imbalances, this little imbalance here, and then we get to this yeah, it was a demand to supply clip though. Let me see. So, and if you've not watched the demand to supply flip or the flip zone, um, the uh, understanding flip zone, just go check my other video. Okay, so first of all, look at this market. It is trending downwards, right? Okay, and how do I get to know that my change of character? There's a zone it worked with here. I didn't draw it here, but I saw the zone, right? So market tap into that zone first, right? And then not this high, but this high did break this guy here. Hence, this is my change of character. And what did I say? I said, if this market just falls from this place, we're definitely going to buy from here. Why? Because we've seen our change of character, right? And we had two scenarios though. Okay, but that's about the supply to demand flip. Just go if you, yeah, I said it before. Okay, so let us forget this one. And I'm just saying, look at this how here. So I was saying we're just going to buy from here immediately. Okay, and that was what we ended up doing, and we got ourselves good money. Let me see. Okay, this was the G. That's the G. Okay, so you see, so I just told them that it was active, and boom, it gave us about 10 hour. So some people left with 5 hour. It's not bad. Okay, and I'll show you how you could have ease yourself stress. So secondly, the AUD USD trade I picked still this week, right? You would see on the what time frame? Okay, I use 10-minute time frame. Before I go to time frames, let me just take this guy here. Okay, let me just use this claymore thing. Okay, and go to my 10-minute time frame. So see, so this was the zone that the market tapped into first. All right, and then market broke structure to the upside. You can see, meaning what this would have been the zone I would have worked with. Okay. But what did I do? I didn't just go aggressive on it. I wanted to see what a change of character to the upside, right? So because if you see this here, you see market keeps doing what? Breaking structure to downside, right? This high, and then this low, and then this high, and then this low. Oh, I've drawn rubbish. Yeah, I'll just continue from here, right? Then this guy here, and then this high, then this low, last low. So I wanted to see what this high will what break. So that was what I waited for, and boom, immediately it broke. I now sent the signal. All right, so this is it. So I sent a signal to the team here, right? So once I saw that the market has gave us a change of character in this zone, so I wanted to see a reaction first before I trade. So then I just gave out this zone here. So we worked with the fractal entry type, right? And easily we smashed this guy. We got about 15 RR. So just playing price now and you would see. So the same thing is what you can do, right? If you want to even short the market, right? First of all, this is the supply zone, right? And on the norms, the market have been what? Trending upward, right? See, breaking market structure to the upside, breaking structure to the upside. Now this low, what immediately you see this low break, right? You would want to what? Shorten from what? The zones it's leaving. So let me just say, okay, this zone, right? You see the 30-minute time frame, right? So if you had work with the 30-minute time frame, first of all, you've seen your change of character. Let's just see how price will play. Let me play price and see. Boom. So you had this touch first, right? This is how you would have, keep on trading this market. You don't just, look for see change of character anywhere. Let it come into your what? Your higher time frame zone. Okay. So now let me go to the next thing. Euro USD. Okay, no. Okay, let me continue. So another example on this same AUD USD, right? Is this not after this break of market structure to the upside, right? Then this break of market structure to the upside now. What do you want to do? You want to what? Trade off from this zone, right? Let me even extend it. Okay. See this candle, right? So we want to trade. So what do we want to see? We want to see market do something like this, right? Break below, right? That means break this guy here, and then break high, come down near back, and we go upward. Isn't it? So that is what I want to see. So now let me just play price and show you what happened. Okay. So now we have what? A new low formed, right? See, that thing I was talking about. So until I see that this high break before I would now call it what? A change of character and want to what? Trade off any zone from here that the market has left. But it didn't. Rather, it broke below. So breaking below again, right? It's still in the zone. So until it breaks this guy here, this high now, then I'll call it what? My change of character, and I will trade off from any unmitigated zone it has what? Left behind. Okay. It will leave behind rather. So let's see. Did it break above? No. Rather, it kept on what? Breaking below. Okay. And yeah, kudos to us too on this signal. Yeah, we had what we had the best buyers on this guy here, because so if you know what I thought about supply and demand flip, right? You will understand why I chose this guy for my zone and not this one here, this unmitigated zone or this unmitigated zone, right? You can see, and let me just play price. Yep, that was, yeah. If you had given your trade a breathing space, you would have, you would have enjoyed this trade. See, the market is still falling, and I'm so sure this is the current price. Yeah, okay, and see when I sent that one also. Okay, that was today. See, so this was the trade here. So I called this guy here, and boom, I saw the liquidity, it's when like liquidity the market created, and I saw this one also, the supply to demand flip, and I picked this zone. You see, I didn't even say we should go for this zone. So this one was so valid for us. Okay. Next example will be this Euro USD. Okay. So I will show you places you would have what try to enter from. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So let's see. First of all, see this trade here. A break of market structure to the upside. Aggressive trader would have just entered from this zone here, and then boom. But you as or as you that is waiting for a change of character, right? You would want to see what a low break and then an high break, right? Okay. So this is a low, right? See this one here. Let me just help us. So market moved from here, right? Then came down, went up, right? Then came down, right? Then what did you see that the market did? Where did I pick my change of character from? Oh, I'm doing mistake already. Okay, I saw something here. It should be on a more smaller time frame though. And then this was the high. I noticed the market broke, right? This guy here. And you would have just traded off from this guy here, this zone here, and boom. That's it. Next example is this one here. Okay. So if you see, while I was having Zoom call with my guys, I told them that see this supply to demand flip, we should be very careful. So if we're buying, our TP should just be in that zone. And it was just exactly what I told them, and that was what we did. So see, where is that guy? Euro USD, where are you? This is GBP USD. Okay, see it here. So you see, right? So I saw what? A change of character to the upside. First of all, allow the price to tap into your zone, and then market should give you a change of character. So after having that change of character, boom, you'd have entered from here and had your TP easy, just here. So let's see. That was exactly what we did. So after having this here, so you would have had your what? Your entry just here. Okay. You have had your entry just here. I'm sorry I'm slow. I just want to what? Be so careful that I am actually impacting what I'm actually impacting knowledge to you guys. So this is it here. So it is later I would what teach you guys what buy to sell candle is and stuff like that. I'm just showing you so you would have made decent profit on this trade here. The same thing. So after the market tap into this zone, this zone here, right? You would want to see a change of character to the downside. See, but yeah, the change of character, I saw it on the 20-minute time frame. Let me see. Okay, this is it. Right, market was what, trending upward, right? And until it tap into this supply zone, then I know what, and I look for what, a change of character. So this was the low it created, and this is the high it created. So we should have this high break, right? And then this low break. So after having this low break, you would have had your entry just here. You can see. So if you add this one, you've just gotten yourself into what, a sweet sniper entry, and boom, they're sold off. So even though you just sold this market, you sell this market to this point here. Let's say from here, because you just want to be careful, right? And you sold it up to this point. It is not bad at all. Yeah, but definitely you should what, aim for 5 hour, 10 hour, 5 hour at least. So let me see. Yep. So now we have our 5 hour. Okay. Because I know so well, we tried what, we tried longing from one zone there. Let me just be sure of the zone. Okay, this guy here, right? So you see, so we wanted to long from here. I wanted to long from here, but I said I would like what, I would like to see what, a change of character before I would what, continue the push to the upside. You see, I'd like to see a change of character in this zone before I would continue the push to the upside. And when this market got into this zone, it didn't give me that change of character I was waiting for or hoping for. It didn't, right? So that's how we were able to what, not have any stop loss on this zone here. So if even though I wanted to now say, okay, let us trade off from this demand zone. You see, no change of character. And then again, we didn't have stop loss hit. It will help you reduce your stop losses. Even this zone here, right? Where is the high you would want the market to first break before you now long? So it is this guy here. So I wanted to see this market what, break above here, break above here. So this is what I wanted to see the market do. So break this guy here and then come down, and we continue the push to the upside. But it didn't do it. That is why I had no entry on AUD today. It was only what, the AUD we had the sales entries for. Okay, I hope this example and life example, I hope everything does make sense to you guys. So let me just do a recap. Remember, you should have your what, your order block, right? You should have your order block formed, or your supply zone first. Something like this. Your break or market structure first, right? You should have it formed, and in this higher time frame zone, get to see a change of character. First of all, a low should break, and an high should break, right? Then this is what, a valid change of character, and boom, you long this market to wherever you want to long it from. Even if you want to do just 5 hour or just the normal TP, that's it. I hope I'm clear on this guy. So change of character is best traded off higher time frame zone. Okay, so you don't just try to trade change of character from anywhere. You don't just maybe you see change of character maybe in an imbalance or so. No, you don't do it. You wait until it comes in to your demand zone or your supply zone before you trade those things, and boom, you get your money. It will help reduce stop losses. That means the zones that are not good, it will help you what, not like it will help you not enter those kind of trade, and you secure yourself decent profit, and just move on with your life, honestly. So I hope because while I'm doing this, I like showing you guys because it is what I do live, right? That's why I like showing you my Discord channels and show you some things I send here. And if you've seen with the time here for AUD USD, right? See, it was what yesterday, 1 point. Okay, it was yesterday 1:45 p.m. Okay, 1:45 p.m. Yeah, that's the New York session. Going to the New York section though. So I hope this works. And please, if you find this educative enough, just leave a comment, drop your like, show your friends my video, and let's continue pushing this thing. Take care, people. See you in the next video.